Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel and happy Friday, everybody. You guys know what that means. We've got some $5 off $25 scenarios to go over for this Saturday, June the 24th at Dollar General. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. And while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, I do want to go ahead and give you guys a little heads up that on some of these scenarios, I have included cashback offers. So, I uploaded 2 videos last week talking about the DG cashback offers. And in both of those videos, I talk about the new DG cashback program. What to expect, how it is supposed to work, how it is working right now. There's a few little glitches in the system that will probably be fixed here soon. But if you missed out on either one of those videos, I highly recommend that you go and check them out. They're short videos, but there's a lot of information in them. So I'll have both of those videos linked for you in the pinned comment down below. Now, if you are new to couponing at Dollar General, please keep in mind that digital coupons are a one-time use only per account. Any glitches that are going on can end at any time because they're simply just that. They're a glitch in the system. So it is very important when you are in the store to scan each and every item with your Dollar General app to make sure that the digital coupons do attach. And also you want to scan each item to price check because prices can vary from store to store. All right, now let's go ahead and get into these scenarios. We're going to start off this week with a Gain deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Gain laundry products priced at $7.50. There's a lot that you can choose from: the liquid laundry detergent, the flings, the fireworks, the sheets, the fabric softener, you name it. Just make sure that it's priced at $7.50. One of the Gain liquid laundry detergents priced at $5.50. 2 of the Gain dish soaps, they're on sale, 2 for $5. 1 of the Gain scented Febreze fabric sprays for $4, and 2 of the Gain scented Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners for $4 each. And that's going to put your subtotal at $30 right on the dot. And here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 30 Gain and your 5 off 25 DG store coupons, your 2 off 1 Gain laundry product, your 1 off 1 Gain liquid laundry, the 1 off 2 Gain dish soap, the $2.30 off 1 Febreze fabric spray, and the 4 off 2 Mr. Clean products. Your subtotal after coupons will be $9.70 for 7 items, making each one just $1.38 each. And I also wanted to go ahead and remind everybody that right now on the P&G Good Everyday Rewards website, we also have a rebate for when you spend $20, you're going to get back a $5 Visa gift card, or when you spend $50, you're going to get back a $15 Visa gift card. Now for this rebate, you do have to spend $20 or $50, whichever one you choose. You do have to spend that amount after all discounts and coupons have been applied on P&G products. But also keep in mind that you don't have to meet that full spend requirement in one transaction. So if you go out tomorrow and you plan on doing a bunch of Gain scenarios on your different accounts or whatever the case may be, and you meet that $20 spend requirement over multiple transactions, all you have to do is save up those receipts, go over to the P&G Good website, put in all of your information, and take advantage of that extra rebate. All right, now we're going to move on into our second scenario. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Persil liquid laundry detergents, the large bottles. They're priced at $10.95. One of these Snuggle or All products priced at $3.75. One of these Snuggle 40 count dryer sheets at $2. One of the BioFreeze 1 count patches at $1.50, 1 Airwick warmer at $2.25, one of the CoverGirl 2 count eyeliner pencils at $4.95, and 1 American greeting card priced at 50 cents. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.90. All right, and here's your list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, your 5 off 15 Persil All and Snuggle DG store coupon, your 2 off 1 Persil, the 125 off 1 Snuggle and All products, the 1 off 1 BioFreeze, the 220 off 1 Airwick warmer, the 4 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, and the 50 cent off 1 American greeting card. Your subtotal after coupons will be $4.95 for all 7 items, making each one just 70 cents each. And I think that is fantastic considering we are getting a huge bottle of that Persil laundry detergent. All right, moving on into our third scenario. For this one, you want to pick up one of the Dawn Power Wash priced at $5, one of the All Free and Clear liquid laundry detergents priced at $5, one of these Snuggle products that are on sale for $3.75. There's a lot of different ones that y'all can choose from. One of the Airwick warmers priced at $2.25, 1 Bic Soleil razors priced at $5.50, 1 American greeting card priced at 50 cents, one Crest Pro Health toothpaste priced at $1, and one of the DG Health Triple Antibiotic Ointments priced at $2.85. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.85. Alright, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 2 off 1 Dawn Power Wash, the 125 off 1 All and Snuggle products, the 220 off 1 Airwick Warmer, the 3 off 1 Bic Razors, 50 cents off 1 American Greeting Card, 1 off 1 Crest Toothpaste, and the 1 off 1 DG Health Ointment. That's going to put your subtotal after coupons down to $9.90 for 8 items. But this still gets even better because right now on the Dollar General app, we have 2 cashback offers for the all free and clear liquid laundry detergent. So you're going to get a total of $1.75 back. That's going to make your final price $8.15 for all 8 items, making each one just $1.01 each. All right, moving right along into our fourth scenario. For this one, you want to pick up one of the Bic Soleil razors priced at $5.50, one of the U by Kotex security pads priced at $3.95, one of the Dove cherry scented 3-count bar soaps priced at $4.75, one of the CoverGirl face products priced at $6.75. You can choose from the powder or the liquid foundation. Then you want to pick up one of the CoverGirl 2-count eyeliner pencils priced at $4.95, one of the Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1, and one American Greeting Card priced at 50 cents. That's going to put your subtotal at $27.40. Alright, and here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Bic Razor, the 2 off 1 Dove bar soap, the 4 off 1 CoverGirl face product, the 4 off 1 CoverGirl eye product, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and the 50 cent off 1 American Greeting Card. Your subtotal after coupons will be $7.90 for 7 items. But this still gets even better because right now on the DG app, we have a $2 cashback offer. So you're going to get back $2. That's going to make your final price $5.90 for 7 items, making each one just 84 cents each. All right, moving on into our fifth scenario. For this one, you want to pick up one of the Old Spice body wash priced at $5.50, 2 of the Dove 1.7 ounce deodorants priced at $5 each, one of the Bic Flex 3 razors priced at $5.50, one BioFreeze 1-count patch at $1.50, one of the American Greeting Cards priced at 50 cents, one Airwick Warmer at $2.25, and one Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.25. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 3 off 1 Old Spice body wash, the 1 off 1 Dove and Axe DG store coupon, the 4 off 2 Dove men's products, the 3 off 1 Bic razors, the 1 off 1 BioFreeze, the 50 cent off 1 American Greeting Card, the 220 off 1 Airwick Warmer, and the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste. Your subtotal after coupons will be $5.55 for 8 items, making each one just 69 cents each. So basically, it's like you went into Dollar General to buy the Old Spice body wash and you just got everything else for free. So I think this is a fantastic deal. All right, next up, we have a quick little snack food deal here. So for this one, you want to pick up 2 of the Mott's fruit snacks. They're the small boxes for $1 each, found in the dollar aisle. 3 bags of the Trolley Sweet Tarts or the Nerds. They're priced at $2.50 each. They're on sale, buy 2, get 1 for free. 2 of the Pringles, they're on sale, 2 for $4. 2 of the Pace salsas for $3 each. 1 of the DiGiorno personal pan pizzas for $5.75. 1 of the Airwick Warmers for $2.25. 1 Crest Pro Health toothpaste for $1, and 1 American Greeting Card for 50 cents. That's going to put your subtotal at $26.50. And here's your list of coupons. So, of course, you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 50 cent off 2 General Mills snacks, the $1 off when you spend $5 on Trolley Sweet Tarts or Nerds DG store coupon, the 1 off 2 Pringles, the buy 1 get 1 free Pace salsa, the 2 off 1 DiGiorno pizza, the 220 off 1 Airwick Warmer, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, and the 50 cent off 1 American Greeting Card. Your subtotal after coupons will be $10.30 for 13 items, making each one just 79 cents each. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning, with these cashback offers, we do have a few little glitches going on here and there. So, we do have a cashback offer on the Betty Crocker snacks. It's for 25 cents back. So, if this stacks with the coupon, you're going to get a total of 50 cents back, making this deal even better. Now, I do want to say that with these cashback deals, they are not supposed to stack with the coupons. The coupon is supposed to come off first. If you use the coupon, you are not supposed to get the cashback offer. So if it does work, it is definitely a glitch. Now, over the last few weeks since we've had these cashback offers, I have tried several deals. I can tell you for sure that a few of them have in fact worked, but I have not put them out on my channel as run glitch deals because, number one, you guys have to pay that money out of pocket up front, and then you have to wait for your transaction to be processed and ran through the DG system, and then you may or may not get that cash back. And I don't want a whole bunch of people mad at me if they don't get the cashback offer. So for now, just to play things safe, I'm going to do it like this, and I'm just going to put, if it stacks, you'll get back an additional 50 cents. If you don't plan on it, but if you do, it's going to be a great surprise, all right? And of course, if you missed out on watching those 2 videos from last week, make sure that you go and check them out. They're going to be linked for you in the pinned comment. All right, and last but certainly not least, we have a pet food deal. So for this one, you want to pick up one of the Caesar wet dog food 6 packs at $8, one of the Sheba wet cat food 6 packs at $7.50, 2 bags of the Temptation cat treats. They're on sale, 2 for $5, one of the Airwick warmers priced at $2.25, one Crest Pro Health toothpaste at $1, one American greeting card at 50 cents, and one of the BioFreeze 1-count patches at $1.50. That's going to put your subtotal at $25.75. All right, and here's a list of coupons. So of course you're going to need your 5 off 25, the 5 off 1 Caesar multi-pack, the 4 off 1 Sheba multi-pack, the 2.20 off 1 Airwick warmer, the 1 off 1 Crest toothpaste, the 50 cent off 1 American greeting card, and the 1 off 1 BioFreeze product. After coupons, you're going to pay $7.05 for 8 items. But this deal gets even better because right now on the DG app, we have a $1 cashback offer on the Temptations cat treats. There is a limit of 5, so you're going to get a total of $2 back. That's going to make your final price $5.05 for all 8 items, making each one just 63 cents each. Now, with the DG cashback offers, we also have a $5 cashback offer on the Caesar multi-pack. So if it stacks with the coupon, you could possibly be getting back an additional $5. That's going to make your final price just 5 cents for all 8 items. Can you all believe that? I think it is absolutely crazy. We have so many awesome deals going on this week at Dollar General, and I do want to apologize. I didn't get to upload many videos for you all this week, but I did have a family emergency that I had to take care of. I did post about it in the community tab. So thank you all for hanging in there with me. Thank you all so much for understanding. And no worries, because next week we're going to get right back into the swing of things. We have another crazy awesome week, jam-packed full of deals. So before you go, make sure that you do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful weekend, and I will see you on the next one.